Still flying a helicopter. Let's see how good the hover is. I'll be controlling the throttle. So you can see we're slowly moving that way. Now we're hovering. Just need a little back. Woo-hoo-hoo! This thing's pretty fast on the ground. Let me do that again. That's fast. Woo. Watch, I'm gonna stop the propellers mid-air. This is how you recover from one of these. Have you guys ever been in a situation like this? Recovered. Pretty easy. As a beginner, I got into a lot of these. Oops. One of these. I learned how to recover like that. I usually keep it at eye height. So I can do this. Bring it up. And look. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, now go up. My favorite thing that I used to do was, I can't do it on holding the camera. But I used to catch the helicopter. This close. Oh! Actually hit the chair. I also liked waiting on small things. Like, let me try to land on that coffee pot, coffee machine. Small and fragile, dangerous things that I would just land on. That felt like it. Like that. Soon gonna go dead here. Usually get 7 minutes of flight. I'll hover over the landing area. It's going dead, yeah. Right now I'm at a way higher throttle than I would usually be hovering at. We want that ground effect. Especially when we're hovering over here for battery efficiency. Look at that. Oops. Gotta get used to flying helicopters again. I haven't flown a helicopter in a long time. Especially the S-107, which is this helicopter. You're definitely going dead. And I'm about full throttle right now. Usually it'll go up way faster. It's going down when I'm at full throttle. Oops. Ugh. That was not good. And now it's dead.